Remember the crash of '08? Yeah, we do too. Jace was recovering from business failure, and me, well, let's just say I should have taken a McDonald's job. Back in 2011, Jace ran into this video on YouTube, and he shared it with me and said, "Dude, you gotta see this." Yep, that's right. I loved it. We needed one. The problem was we couldn't find anyone to do it for us. So Jace finally said, "Well, Curtis, you can draw. Let's just do our own." Dude, I haven't drawn in about 15 years, but yeah, sure, whatever, let's do it. Do you know how to do a video? No, you? So anyways, we figured it out.
Hello, world.
So we uploaded our video and waited. 3 o'clock that day, we got our first call. The deal is this. It took a ton of work, a ridiculous amount of passion, hiring the best artists in the industry. And here we are 8 years later on the Inc. 5000 list and doing videos for small businesses and large businesses all over the world. Oh, and by the way, did we mention we're the #1 video company in the world? Don't believe us? Ask our moms. That's our story. What's yours?